Do parents need to learn therapies and different types of therapies for their child who is on a spectrum or maybe is neurodiverse? Hi everyone, this is Dr. Sonam Kothari. I am a co-founder of Butterfly Learnings. I'm a pediatric neurologist, a behavior analyst and a special educator. Yes, it's very important. Every parent needs to understand that the child is there with you for almost 20 hours of the day. Maybe 2 hours he's going for the therapy, maybe 6 hours he's going for school, and maybe 10 hours he is sleeping. So maybe half day, 12 hours of the child or maybe 15 hours of the child are gone. But still you have 8 to 10 hours with you and the child is active during that time and he stays with you. If the parent doesn't know about the therapies, if the parent doesn't know how to give the therapy, if the parent doesn't know what are the different types of therapy and what I'm supposed to give to my child to make him better, or how can I help my child, it will be very difficult for the child to progress. The efforts of the therapist is 20% because he is very less time with the child, with the therapist. The effort of the parents is 80%. The parents have to put a lot of efforts on their child so that the child develops fast and gains the skills better. For this, the parents needs to understand two things. First, whatever therapy you are giving, be it evidence-based therapy, be it non-evidence-based therapy, be it occupational therapy, speech therapy, ABA therapy, play therapy, aqua therapy, whatever therapy you are giving, make sure you observe the therapy, you be in the sessions, learn from the therapy. Unless you see the sessions happening, how will you implement that at home? Because one is someone telling you to run a program, and second is you yourself seeing it practically how you run the program. When you see it practically, you can do it better. Always support, always go for therapies who encourages you to see the therapy and learn from the therapy. A therapy that is happening closed door, a therapy that is not shown to you, you don't know what to do outside, you don't know what to do at home, and you really don't know what is happening inside. Always make sure you look or see the therapy, how the therapies are happening. Second, always make sure that the therapist talks to you, makes you understand the plans and give you home plans to follow. If the plans are not given to you, if the home plans are not getting followed at home, the progress of the child will be very slow. You should be the better therapist for the child than the therapist himself, because you have the rapport with the child. The child listens to you, the child is with you, child loves you, he will do everything for you. Just that you have to do it yourself at home. Whatever therapy centers you are going, learn the techniques, do it at home. Third very important thing is behaviors. Behaviors are different for every child at different places. A child might not show a behavior at the therapy center, but he might show the behavior with you. Unless you learn the proper behavior intervention techniques from the person who is doing those techniques or giving those techniques, you will never be able to solve the behaviors at home. Just saying that, the child is not improving at home, he is completely same at home, but he is doing very well at the therapy center. The efforts has to come from the parents. What I can do different, that the child can change at home. It is, if the child is doing at one place and not doing at other place, it's not the problem with the child, because the child knows where to do. He is just not able to do at home because I am not able to intervene properly. Learn the techniques, learn it properly, do role plays with the therapist, understand it properly and apply at home. If the same techniques that a therapist applies and is same the techniques the parents are applying at home, child will develop overall, and every place the development of the child can be seen. So please start putting efforts on your child. He is your child, the child is yours. You have to put your efforts.